Good morning, guys. How are you?
Good.
Morning. It's just woke up from a sleep.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Good morning. Please turn on your cameras.
But I still have a little bit energy, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
I guess I have more energy than you guys.
Okay, then if you are here, then I would do a race, then I would beat you automatically.
Aishin has turned on the camera today. Good job, Aishin.
I'm
Barira.
faster than you think, so I can run faster.
Ah. Barira and Fateh. Those are not turning on that camera. That's not in it. Okay, everyone find out riddles. We are going to ask the other person, but you should know the answers. Then only you can ask. No answer means we cannot ask. Yes, Barira. Where's your uniform, Barira and Fateh? And Barira, what happened to the background? Barira, unmute. There are only 5 of you today. Daily the number is reducing. Are you finding out? Aishin can ask the first riddle.
I asked my mom to tell me what is going on.
Okay, where's your back? Yeah, what happened to your uniform?
I kind of forgot.
Just wear it quickly and come.
Ma'am,
I'll give it to
ma'am,
Fateh.
I got one. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it?
Sorry, Fateh.
What is so fragile that saying it breaks it?
So fragile it breaks it.
Pass.
Milan, Aishin, come on. What is so fragile that it breaks it?
They're searching.
I'm
Okay,
not even searching at all.
then give the answer.
What's the question again, Al-Fatih?
What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it?
Saying its name. Clue. Is there any clue?
Something like a good student. What would a good student do in class?
Study?
When the teacher is explaining.
Silence. When you say
Yes.
silence, the silence is broken, right?
Yeah.
Yay! I got it. Okay, what about anyone else?
What is a full what is full of holes but still holds
I
water?
know this one, but I'm not gonna say. Come on, Aishin, Barira, Milan. This is very
Can I
easy.
say one, please? Can I say one?
You have to say the answer first. Fateh is asking, right? Turn on your camera.
Okay, I have one eye only.
First, you have to turn on your camera.
I have one eye only, and I have a pointy tip.
Barira, you're not listening to me. You have to turn on your camera first.
Okay.
And
I
Fateh has
have
asked one question. We have to answer that, then we can move on to the next. What is full of holes, but it still holds water?
water bottle.
No, it's very
It has
easy.
holes.
I know the answer.
A squishy?
Aishin, unmute.
You're
Milan,
close. You're
unmute. If you're
close.
not participating and interacting in class, there's no point of you being here, right?
Something
Is
like
it
a
my
squishy.
clothes? My clothes?
No, something like a squishy, which has
Sponge?
holes. Yes,
Sponge?
sponge. Sponge.
Just
Sponge.
got it
Good
correct.
job,
Okay, can I
Milan.
say this is really hard, really hard?
That one is kind of
This is
easy.
the most easy one. What is
Barira,
always in
Barira,
front
no.
of
Fateh, no. Barira's
you?
turn.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I can run, but I can't walk. What am I?
I can run,
Cheetah?
Nope.
Johan, you joined in the last 2 minutes, Johan.
Maria, what's the question I got? What
No,
kangaroo
it's
has to
not
do?
an animal. It's something which the animals,
I can run,
Eat?
but I
Yes.
can't walk. Is it an
It
animal?
might be something that they eat or maybe something that they can drink.
Aishin
I
and
can run, but I can't walk.
What did you say again? Say it again.
I can run, but I can't walk. What am I?
Barira?
Yeah?
Is it Barira?
No. I can run, but I can't walk. What am I?
What is the clue?
Nobody knows what am I talking about.
Okay.
It's not fair.
Johan, Satya, Barira, where are your uniforms?
Yeah, because I couldn't find mine.
Should be something that can fly.
No, it's not alive. Dun, dun, dun.
Is it like an object?
Where's your uniform, Fateh?
Liquid. It is liquid. There's a
Johan,
liquid.
where's your uniform, Johan?
Is it a liquid?
Aha.
Yes or no?
I still don't know where it is.
Get your uniforms and come.
Is it correct or not liquid? Am I close?
Barira, you're not supposed to eat in class. You're breaking all the rules. I'm going to text your mama and say this.
Okay.
I was going to
Every
find
day
the
you're doing
red,
this,
but I
this class
couldn't
text
find
every
it.
time. Johan, where's your uniform? Go wear your uniform and come. Barira, go wear your uniform and come.
I can't find it.
Okay. I'm going to inform mama.
No.
This is unacceptable. You are eating in class.
No, please.
No.
No, please. Sorry, ma'am. Are you even texting? Show me your phone.
I don't have to do that.
Yes, you do. It looks like you're sleeping in class. Dude, your eyes are closed. It looks like you're sleeping in class. Ma'am, hello, wake up.
1 second, let me inform her. Hi, Amina.
That's not Amina. That's Azilama.
Can you see if Barira is eating during your class and let me know if she is? I'll talk to her mama.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye bye, guys.
Yeah.
And
Bye
Johan
bye.
and Barira are wearing the uniform. I have informed them. Still they are not.